Your 3D printer deserves armor. What if I told you it will provide a cleaner look, run quieter, and last longer? If you are new to 3D printing, this is for you. Welcome back to Monkey Talk, and today I will talk about covers that you might want to print for your P1S. Covers made my 3D printer look way more professional, and it fixed one of its biggest flaws: exposed components. So the first thing I printed was the bearing dust cover. When your printer is running, tiny bits of filament dust, plastic shavings, or even airborne debris can settle into the bearings. A dust cover acts as a barrier. Exposed bearings can lead to micro vibrations, uneven motion, or slight binding, all of which can negatively impact print quality. Keeping the bearings cleaner helps ensure smooth, consistent motion along the axis. I did a lot of research on the Bambu maintenance documents, and it explicitly mentions that bearings should be cleaned periodically to prevent rust and prolong service life. But who wants to do that? If you cover it, there will be no need for that. It is a lot cheaper to print a cover than to replace a bearing altogether. So do it if you like, but I highly recommend it. It only took 14 minutes to print. Another simple print I recommend is making built plate plugs. As you can see, these mainly keep dust and stranded filament from accumulating in the 5 exposed areas. It's not as crucial as the bearing cover, but it gives your printer a more complete look. This print took about 21 minutes to finish. If you've got a Bambu P1S, you already know how powerful that auxiliary fan is. That little guy pulls in a lot of air, and with it, dust, filament debris, and even tiny plastic shavings that can wear down the blades over time. A simple 3D printed cover fixes that. It keeps dust out, protects the fan from bumps, and even improves airflow by focusing it right where it's needed, on your print bed. Since I print mainly in PLA, PETG, and TPU, I have the fan off. But if you print with different materials, which I plan on doing in the long run, it will be beneficial. You'll get cleaner cooling, longer fan life, and a tidier look inside your printer. It's one of those small upgrades that just makes sense. So if you want smoother prints and a cleaner machine, give your auxiliary fan some love. A quick print and an even bigger payoff. Your Bambu P1S is fast and precise. That print head fan works hard to keep it cool. But here's the thing, it's also completely exposed. As mentioned previously for the auxiliary fan, the same goes for the print head fan. Over time, filament dust, tiny plastic bits, or even stray support pieces can get sucked right in. That can cause noise, imbalance, or even worse, clog your fan. A simple 3D printed fan cover keeps your cooling fan protected without blocking airflow. It filters out debris, shields the blades, and helps the fan run smoother and quieter. That means more consistent cooling, better print quality, and a longer lifespan for your fan, all from a part that takes under an hour to print. That's it for this video. Please leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you found this helpful or have any other questions. In the description, you will find everything you need to get started. See you next week. Monkey Talk out.